Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. It's Tuesday, February 11th. 11:30. Today's gonna be an exciting video. It's the first DIY car video that we have. So when I bought this car, I bought it used, I had no idea that the seat emblems were broken. I was looking on forums. I was checking to see if I would be able to change that via warranty and not have to drop a dime. A lot of people on the forum said yes and that they've done it before, but when I went to the dealership myself, BMW told me that they wouldn't change it under warranty. So I ended up having to buy them myself. I'm gonna put the link in the description on where I bought mine. But I got these seat lights. I'll show you right now. I got these black seat lights that say M3. And they also light up as well. I got them from ECS Tuning. I'm gonna put that in the description. So if you guys have F80 M3s, they also have M4s, and if you just want one that says M on them, you can get those too. So they have the M3, they have M4 model ones, and just ones that say M. Obviously I wanted the ones that said M3. I have an M3 and that just looks badass. So we're gonna install these today. I was looking up videos. Surprisingly, there are no videos on how to install these things, so I figured I'll be the first. So I don't have a lot of luck with DIY stuff on cars. I'm not a fucking mechanic. I don't do none of this shit. If it looks easy enough, I'll do it. I did find pictures on forums though on more or less how to go about the process. Before I decided to put the emblems on, I wanted to give the car a really nice interior detail. So I was recommended Alba's Details. This guy does amazing work. He literally made my seats look brand new. He brought back that the matte red finish that comes from factory, because before that the seats looked super oily and just worn. He even managed to get a lot of the creasing out of the seats. I mean, the seats look pretty darn new. He did a really good job. He got in all the crevices and all the corners of the car, took dirt out. He was here for he took his sweet time, cleaned the car for 3 hours, the entire interior. So if you guys want to hit him up, and you're in the New York area, I'm gonna post his Instagram as well. You guys can go check that out. So the first thing I was advised to do was push the seat all the way forward and the backrest as well all the way forward. And start prying the leather away from here and work our way up to just under the headrest, and we'll be able to pull the rest of that out. So I'm gonna put the camera down, try to get this leather away from this plastic piece, and so what I'm gonna do now is put the camera down. So I was able to detach the leather piece from this back piece, and you can see in here now what we're working with. Those are the two holes where the emblem goes through. It's attached to a zip tie. Not too well, but there is a zip tie right there, and that's where the wire for the emblem is. So we have to cut the zip tie.
I didn't get that. Could you try again?
Nobody told me, bro. And then we gotta use these pliers to squeeze the back tabs of the emblem so that it can be pushed out. And there you have it. That's the final product. Pretty easy job. Took about maybe 15 minutes. Not too bad. But look at the difference between stock. I mean, the new models now come with the black emblems, but I don't know why they don't all come stock with black emblems. That just looks so mean. Way better. So that was it for today. Put on a hoodie because the weather conditions for today are not fit for outside DIY projects. It's kind of raining outside. But that was today's video. I just wanted to give you guys a little DIY on how to put these emblems on, mainly because I tried looking them up myself and there's not one video on the internet. It's just pictures and how to do it. But this is the first official video on how to install these emblems if you're having the same problem. I hope you guys liked the video. Subscribe, hit the bell button for more for notifications on more content, and I'll see you guys later.
That's loud.